In this video, I'll show you a couple of projects I've worked on to sell in the space I rent at a local antique mall. For painting furniture and home decor, I use a clay-based mud paint and milk paint, and I'll show you how I use those in a couple of the projects in this video. This piece had a crackle finish underneath, but 2 coats of mud paint gave it a creamy, satiny finish when it dried. Mud paint can be used without sanding. The texture is much like melted ice cream, and this shade of mud paint is called Manor House. The first piece I did in this project was an estate sale find. This was a good sized piece and quite heavy, but it had beautiful detailing on it, so I started by painting the whole piece white. This gave the piece a soft, creamy look, and I added an IOD stamp to give it a country French look. Having the right supplies is a big help, and here's one that I use quite often. I found this sanding sponge at a local hardware store, but you can also get it on Amazon. You can get replaceable sandpaper pieces that are cut to fit. The shape makes it easy to hang on to, and it's also easy to get into corners and crevices. And here's another example of how the mud paint finish turns out. The next piece in this project is an old shelf painted gold that I decided needed to be brightened up and softened up. And this color and texture was just perfect. After a couple of coats, it really looked soft and delicate and perfect for a little girl's room or a country French room. For the next project, I added milk paint. I use a 50-50 mix of warm water and powdered milk paint. Mix until it has the consistency of a milkshake, and for one coat it will have a quite transparent soft look, which I like. On some items it may even be a little chippy. So if that's the look you're going for, you'll be quite happy with milk paint. I will finish this up with clear wax, and we're done. Here's a quick look at a couple more pieces I've completed in this same way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.